Hi, I'm John. We're here today at Start Safety in Worcester and we're going to show you how you can install your wheel stops. The benefits of wheel stops, they're going to offer protection for charging points, infrastructures, pedestrians and other users. So where are we using these wheel stops? Well, we're using these wheel stops for commercial and residential applications. For example, coach parks, lorry parks and those tight driveways. So this is the truck stop. Now, in order to get the right position of the truck stop, what we have to take in consideration is the overhang of the vehicle to the wheels. So what we don't want is a crush zone between the fence in this situation and the wheel stop. It's important when installing your wheel stop is to get the correct orientation of the wheel stop in the right position. In this case, we want the wheels to touch the shorter elevation of the wheel stop, the longer elevation to the rear. So now's the time we're going to secure our truck stop to the ground. But before we do that, I'm going to show you some of the equipment that is required. So, ear defenders, dust mask, safety glasses, SDS drill with M14 drill bit, ground anchors, socket set and dust extractor. And we can do this same process for the coach stop as well. When considering the position, what we recommend is a 750 to 800 millimeter distance from the obstacle you're hoping to avoid. But also, in this case, we have to consider the downpipe. Let me introduce you to Carstop. It's perfect for light vehicles and vans, perfect for residential and commercial applications. And remember, this product is made from recycled tyres. This is the Ridgeback, perfect for cars and vans for commercial and residential application. This is the Parkade Carstop. It comes in 1800, 1200 and 550. Also, if you're looking for fixings, it comes with fixings. This is the Parkade. It comes in 3 different sizes, the 1800, the 900 and the 550. Thank you for watching this edition on how to install wheel stops with Start Safety. For further information, go to the website, which is startsafety.uk, or you can contact our team on 01905 794 875.